Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have account access and a working device. This matters because Google limits repeated verification numbers. Once you've logged in, open security settings and look at phone numbers listed for recovery. You need to remove or replace duplicates. If you can, add an alternate number now so verification won't block you. This step prevents getting stuck. Make sure two-step verification is enabled so Google accepts new recovery data and you can validate changes immediately. Once done with basic checks, navigate to personal info and edit contact info because duplicates cause the error. Remove the repeated number entries, then add the alternate phone and complete SMS or voice verification right away so Google marks it verified. If the interface blocks adding, try a different browser or incognito to bypass cached limits. After saving, wait a few minutes for changes to propagate across Google services. This reduces race conditions when you retry the action that failed. To finish, sign out and sign back in, then retry the operation that reported the number used too many times because fresh sessions read updated recovery info. If you still see the error, use Google's account recovery flow or the in-account support options. These escalate limits. As a troubleshooting tip, switch to a different verified number or wait 24 hours, since temporary throttles often clear. If all else fails, document timestamps and error messages before contacting support so they can act faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.